Hi, welcome to Gooey.AI. Today we are looking at how to use a profile lookup and use GPT-3 to build AI personalized emails. Now, this is usually quite useful when you're doing mass emails, particularly for events or like I do for workshops. So you just put a profile lookup for the person that you want to send the mail to, and it gets kind of like personalized and addressed to them. So we head over to our GUI Explore page and we go to Profile Lookup GPT-3 AI Personalized Emails. So I've already set up one here. For the sake of this scenario, I'll think of myself as the person being addressed to the in the email, and I will say that okay, I am a company that sells royalty-free images called Acme Images, and I'm writing to GUI AI for an integration into our AI tools. So it's pretty simple. You start off with putting the email of the person whom you're addressing, and then you write a little bit of a body text. I'll come to it. Give a few URLs that you feel are relevant to both your work and a way to like chime into their work as well. Your company's name, some keywords to make sure that they kind of float up in the email, personalized emails through GPT-3. So what we've done here is very simple. You first tell GPT-3 that you want this email to be written in a unique way, but to not lose the intent of the email. So your first format is hi, first person's name. Now this will give the name of the person to be addressed. Then we go on to say that the team here at which is Acme Images, the sort of made up company, is very excited to see your content for the background generator, and then you can add the relevant link for the background generator. This is, by the way, a very nice tool that we have. From here on, we add a little bit more about AI tools and the royalty free API images that we want to integrate, which is part of this made up company that I have. So we've put URL2 and I've put the company's name. So URL2 shows up like this, company name shows up like this with the curly brackets and the double quotes, and URL1 also shows up here, right? And then I have a couple of keywords. Now I can just check the settings as well, like how long my email needs to be and how creative I want the AI model to be in terms of uh, totally going in its own direction or taking a lot more from the email body that we've made here. So I'm just going to like keep it almost at 90%, and then I will hit submit. So here you go. So it's kind of changed out here. I had said hi, but it said greetings. It's taken the URL that I said, and it says that we are super excited to check out your work of quality background on quality. Okay, so now there are a little bit of like tweaks that we might need because obviously uh, on quality background generator is not the same as high quality background generator, and then we said that the rest of it pretty much sounds the same here. So maybe we'll just do a couple more runs where it's a little less creative, and then we'll run it to see if it suits our need much more. This could be quite useful if you're sending out a lot of emails in the whole day. You can add LinkedIn profiles, you can add their emails and things like that. So there you go. This is kind of giving you a little bit of a change, but kind of similar because we dropped the model creativity down. You can also run it through your API. So if you're a developer and you feel like this could be an interesting tool for you to build with API, go ahead and look at our API docs, figure out what you'd need, and connect with us if you think that this is an interesting tool for you to work with. Thank you.